Ang buhay ay parang stand-up paddleboarding. Kailangan mo ng balanse, focus, at lakas ng loob para ipaglaban ang iyong sarili. Katulad ng sa board, may mga pagkakataon na susubukan kang patumbahin ng buhay. Pero, tandaan, hindi mahalaga kung ilang beses kang bumagsak. Ang mahalaga kung ilang beses kang bumangon. Stand up for yourself, even when the water gets rough. Don't let anyone pull you down or tell you that you can't do it. Keep your eyes forward and your heart strong. Positivity is your paddle. Use it to navigate through challenges. Embrace the journey and enjoy the ride. Manatiling positibo, manatiling matatag, at laging tandaan, may kapangyarihan kang tumayo ng matuwid kahit ano pang alon ang dumating. Patuloy na magsagwan pasulong at maaabot mo ang magagandang destinasyon.
Stay positive, stay strong, and remember, you have the power to stand tall, no matter what waves come your way. Keep paddling forward, and you'll reach beautiful destinations.